Look at this. Nobody thought this was happening 2 years ago. Some might have. Some might have, don't get me wrong. Yo, DCN Army, welcome back to our latest video. We are the 4th of May. Welcome to the new month. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below. We need all of you guys to join the DCN Army. If you've clicked on this video, you're interested in crypto, we are the ones for you because we share with you the latest crypto market news every single day of the week. And yeah, that happens through our Telegram. Of course, we encourage you to join our Telegram, but on Wednesdays and Saturdays, we provide YouTube videos for you guys right here every single Wednesday and Saturday. So subscribe to this channel, especially if you enjoy content like this. We cover everything crypto related. That includes the entire Web3, metaverse, NFTs, decentralized finance, and so forth. So we've chose a couple of articles to go through today, but before we do this, make sure you take into consideration that this is not financial advice. Any decision you take outside of this video is solely your responsibility. And yeah, we'll go through a couple of articles that has happened since the beginning of the week. And make sure you stay tuned until Saturday's video, where we will share with you what happens from now until the end of the week. We will share it in Saturday's video. This way you are always up to date. But of course, join our Telegram as well. We send you notifications 4 to 10 times a day. Hopefully it's not too much for you, but hey, we got to share with you what's going on in the crypto market. So sometimes it's volatile, sometimes it's not. But let's see here. Let's go ahead and jump in with our first article of the day. We're going to be speaking about a South American country. The South American country we're speaking about is Argentina. So Argentina's government has advanced in the creation of their national CBDC. Of course, they've seen the adoption levels across the globe, with other countries as well already looking at developing their CBDC. As you do know already, there are a lot of CBDCs that are already launched in the world. For example, in Nigeria, they have the Naira and so forth. We also have many different islands in the Caribbean that also have launched their CBDC, such as the Bahamas. And a lot of major countries are looking at a CBDC, such as the United States of America, Mexico, China, who's already begun launching and piloting and gathering data from their people with the launch of their digital yuan along the metro and railway station in, I'm not mistaken, I believe it's Hong Kong or Beijing. And then of course as well for the Winter Olympics, digital yuan was a payment method. Yeah, so let's see here. The Argentinian government is already looking at launching their central bank digital currency. If you don't know what a central bank digital currency is, we just shared it on our Instagram. Literally, it's simple as this. A central bank digital currency is usually controlled and supervised by the nation's central bank or monetary authority. It pretty much promotes financial inclusion, easier implementations of monetary and fiscal policy, and cross-border transactions, because it is a digital version of the actual currency that the nation already has, in this case in Argentina, peso. So of course all of the Latin American countries have their own different types of pesos. So as for Argentina as well, they are looking to create a digital version of their peso. Real world examples of central bank digital currencies, we already went over them, such as the Naira and the sand dollar for the Bahamas. All of the articles that we go through in today's video are down below in the link if you want to have a look at them on your own time. Here you are with more news for your head top. Cryptocurrencies will be accepted by one of the world's top luxurious gyms. So we're speaking about a gym that's based in New York. It's called Equinox, and now people can pay in cryptocurrencies to attend this gym. This integration is happening between consumers and the business, of course. Every single week we learn more about BitPay. They are literally integrating with every single body, trying to add cryptocurrency payments to their channels and to their payment methods, you know, to all these different companies in the world. So Equinox is the latest to obtain a partnership with BitPay, and very exciting for those who are in the Manhattan Upper West Side area. This company was founded there 30 years ago. A lot of famous celebrities go to this gym. Anderson Cooper, etc. We don't really care too much about this, but they pay up to $500 a month in order to get access to premium features such as empty locker rooms and full body showers with temperature controls and such. We're speaking literally about the high class, and they have begun accepting cryptocurrencies. They definitely want to add more cryptocurrency to their balance sheet. They definitely probably want to hold on to some cryptocurrencies and create some type of treasury as well. Very interesting. Hey, let's move forward to another article. We are zooming through articles today. Ukrainian soccer club Shaktar is going to begin and launch their NFT collection, ideally to raise humanitarian funds, of course, for the Ukrainian citizens that have been affected by the war driven by Russia. And yeah, very exciting. The club's going to choose players on their team, and they're going to sign the jerseys and sell them as NFTs as well. Super exciting. Of course, as you do know, Shaktar Donetsk is one of the top professional super clubs in Ukraine. Very oftentimes you will see them in European Championship leagues such as UEFA Champions League or perhaps the Europa League. They are one of the top clubs in Ukraine. And yeah, very exciting. Shakhtar will be auctioning 9 signed jerseys from its Football for Peace initiative. We have so many different types of initiative like this that all seriously contain the same goal. It's very interesting. So 10,000 NFT mystery box will be put up for sale at 10 BUSD. As you do know, BUSD is pretty much the Binance version of a stable coin pegged to the US dollar. So this practically costs us 10 US dollars. And they will be available on the Binance NFT marketplace from Saturday. So if you want to get yours, go ahead and get it. Especially a good initiative to help back those who are in need in Ukraine. The CEO of the club shares more information on why they decided to take this route, why this technology, and very interesting words. You can see here that, quote unquote, he's mentioned throughout the ongoing crisis in Ukraine, digital assets, including NFTs, have played an important role in providing fast, efficient, and simple help to those in need. Honestly, most of the times it's just a click of a button or a scan of a QR code. This is how quick this technology runs. Head of Binance NFT actually said that. Excuse me. It was the head of Binance NFT that mentioned this. Super exciting. The CEO of Shaktar Donetsk, he said this: we are dedicating to helping the Ukrainian community rise back stronger from the crisis. Blockchain is ideal for this, given the transparency and accountability that it provides. It definitely has the right keywords, the right features of this technology. Definitely very interesting. Guys, go have a look at this article down below. We're going to move forward to the 4th article of today's video. We're just zooming through. Let's see here. So streaming platform Angel Studios, they're a startup. They're very new to the space. We all know that you probably listen to your music on Spotify, or since it's a streaming platform, most definitely you probably use Twitch or Discord. You can even stream off Twitter and many other platforms. Nowadays you can stream all over the place. All you have to do is just go live practically. And yeah, they, as a startup, have added Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Very well done for them. They're very, very, very interested in being a big player in the future, as you can see here with this investment. $10 million worth of Bitcoin. They must be really excited about this, although through the times of today, as you can see here, Bitcoin is at 38,000, underneath 40,000, and so forth. So the company states that its Bitcoin holdings are highly liquid, super good. They made the purchase in October after selling 1.7 million of its Class A shares. The purchase was meant to diversify the company's returns. Why not diversify in an industry such as Bitcoin, such as cryptocurrency, where the growth rate is unprecedented, insane? And definitely have a further look at this article down below as well. And if you are interested in Angel Studios, why not go look at their streaming platform as well? They are just beginning. So we were speaking about Argentina earlier, and look at us, we're right back there. The 2 largest banks in Argentina have begun crypto trading, they've allowed they've allowed people and users and clients of their bank to pretty much allow crypto trading. This is to buy, sell, and hold if wanted Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, the stablecoin, and Ripple XRP. Although XRP is in a lawsuit, it doesn't affect those in Argentina. So very exciting. The largest two banks are Banco Galicia and Brubank. They've announced to all of their customers that they can make crypto purchases rather than other banks such as Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan that will only offer this type of service to their high-end clients. Let's have a look down below. The South American nation has the 6th highest crypto adoption rate in the world. This data has been collected by Statista, a very reliable platform. If you don't know of it, go check them out. 21% of Argentines has used or owned crypto by 2021, a number that could only continue to grow, especially if big entities like this are offering and providing this service to their customer base. Super exciting for Argentina. As we just looked at, they're looking to build a CBDC, and they are beginning to, what it appears, is regulate and sort of accept cryptocurrency. It looks like green lights to me. So this is exciting here. Go check out that article down below if you care more about it. We definitely have more articles to share with you. Boom! Let's head a bit forward to the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 that will be hosted in Doha, Qatar, in between November and December due to the climate in Qatar. As you do know, in the summer it is super hot over there. So in the months of June, July, it is not possible to have the FIFA World Cup as we know it to be. But let's look at here. Algorand, the blockchain company, is the first US blockchain sponsor of FIFA World Cup. So we already do know that Crypto.com is the official crypto sponsor of the World Cup, and now they have their own US blockchain sponsor, which is Algorand, and they are excited about this partnership. A lot of exposure will come from FIFA's World Cup, FIFA's tournament. It is arguably, but definitely statistically, the greatest and the most watched tournament of mankind. So let's have a look here. As we did mention, it will be in November and December. There's not much to know else besides that Algorand will also be an official sponsor for FIFA's Women's World Cup in Australia and New Zealand in 2023. They just bagged another sponsorship for next year. Very exciting. The proof of stake chain. So as you do know, proof of stake is a mechanism that runs the Algorand blockchain. So if you have Algorand tokens, you can stake them, and so that means that your holdings in Algorand, you can put them to work and they can actually earn you rewards. This is what proof of stake means. And yeah, they're developing a digital asset strategy for FIFA, and this will explain blockchain technology, non-fungible tokens, and all of the various and powerful technologies that are coming out in today's world. Super exciting. Definitely have a look at this link down below as well. Yeah, as we mentioned, as you can see here, Crypto.com became the official crypto trading platform sponsor for the 2022 World Cup in March, and now they've added Algorand, as just mentioned. Although crypto is banned in Qatar, it has taken steps forward towards a regulation. As you do know, the United Arab Emirates is always adopting cryptocurrency to some extent. Make sure you tune into our Telegram to find out what is the latest adoption in United Arab Emirates as far as cryptocurrency and Web3. Not the last article, but a very exciting one. Goldman Sachs has already mentioned that they will be the first major bank in the United States to offer Bitcoin-backed loans. And now, as of the 3rd of May, as of yesterday, we're getting the information that Coinbase will be the partner of Goldman Sachs to offer Bitcoin-backed loans. Very exciting for these two giant companies. As you do know, Coinbase is also a public company, so you can purchase shares of Coinbase as well on the NASDAQ, just as you can of Goldman Sachs. Super exciting. The loan was facilitated by Goldman Sachs in the bank's first Bitcoin-backed loan. Coinbase collateral Bitcoin for cash loan with Goldman Sachs. So basically, Coinbase will hold the Bitcoin, and Goldman Sachs will offer Bitcoin-backed loans. So they will offer dollars to clients, and it is in collateral and under the protection with Bitcoin. If that makes sense to you. If that doesn't make sense, make sure you let us know in the comments down below. We'll clarify that for you. But Coinbase's work with Goldman is a first step in the recognition of crypto as collateral, which deepens the bridge between the fiat and crypto economies. This is Brett Tejpaul, head of Coinbase Institutional, who's mentioned this via Bloomberg. Very, very, very exciting, as you do see traditional banks, traditional companies, and equities are getting more and more involved with this decentralized protocol and cryptocurrency and this payment method created by none other than Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. And guys, we're so happy to just share with you what's going on. We hope that you're ready to ride this journey along. We're not trying to get tracked off of this article, but just this is insane. All we have to do here is look at the title. Unless you're a user of Goldman Sachs or you're interested in getting a Bitcoin-backed loan, all that matters here is just the title here, man. Look at this. Nobody thought this was happening 2 years ago. Some might have, don't get me wrong. But the majority of people are not seeing articles like this. They're too stuck in the idea of price. I want to be rich today. And this is exactly what Daily Crypto Network is here to tackle. Let's have a look at the entire industry. If you want to look at this article down below, go for it. It is all there. And we are ready to share with you the last article of today's video. And we're headed to the Middle East. Uzbekistan's president has basically given the green light to adopt a special, of course, modifiable crypto framework, of course, a regulatory framework around cryptocurrencies and crypto-related digital assets, crypto-related products, digital assets, etc. They mention here that this will include a 7.5% income tax on crypto-related salaries. Very interesting to think on what this means. This could either be decentralized finance as far as rewards on a year basis, perhaps, or it could be depending on the amount that you're receiving on rewards as well. Hold on, everything is in the details. Make sure you know that. But the Republic of Uzbekistan has progressed further with cryptocurrency, and this already is enough for us to understand that cryptocurrency is not just here to stay, but it is here today. And also, we don't have to say it's the future. It is today. Let's have a look here further down below. So the authority has previously promoted crypto trading in Uzbekistan, proposing to allow residents to conduct all types of crypto trades in 2021. Very generous from the authority. A lot of other countries such as India has taken a different stance and is working their way towards a better stance, but such as Uzbekistan, they've taken a more friendly and user-friendly approach to cryptocurrencies. The National Agency for Prospective Projects is responsible for a wide range of crypto regulation related projects with a mission to adopt a special crypto regulation regime in Uzbekistan. So it is the NAPP that has been reconstructed into an so it was before the NAPM. It's now been restructured to the NAPP. They will be in charge of monitoring, solving issues, definitely supervising and providing feedback to the world and to the agencies that are coexisting to provide such a service to their nation. Uzbek president was re-elected for a second 5-year term in October 2021, following the death of longtime leader Islam Karimov. So he's adopted a number of initiatives in the crypto industry since assuming the office. He's definitely having a better approach than other politicians as well. In 2018, the president ordered the establishment of State Blockchain Development Fund, aiming to integrate blockchain into public administration projects like healthcare and education. Super good, very, very, very good initiatives from this man, allowing his people to use the technology and also learn from the technology is important. As you do know, in India, Binance has launched 3 educational programs to accelerate the education of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies in India. As you can see here, their own president is doing it themselves rather than having a crypto exchange such as Binance come do it for them. So very exciting. Definitely go have a look at this article down below. We are happy to be your crypto outlet. All of the articles we went through today are already in our Telegram. Make sure you tune into the Telegram to remain updated in the crypto market. We are your crypto outlet, DCN Army. See you in Saturday's video. Ciao, ciao.